Hey there, how's it going? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download VirtualBox, Ubuntu and all the big data software in your Windows. I'm using Windows 10, so I've got rid of my previous VirtualBox and Ubuntu, so I just want to download and install everything from scratch. So I'll be basically installing Java, Hadoop, Spark, HBase, MySQL, Airflow inside the Ubuntu. So this is going to be a series of videos covering all these steps. So the first thing I need to do right now is basically installing VirtualBox on my Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to put this link in the description, so it will take you to this GitHub page where you can see all the instruction. So here, this is the first step. You have to basically download VirtualBox first in your Windows. So I'm going to create that link. So this is the version available for each operating system. I'm going to use Windows host. So if I click that, it should download the VirtualBox 6.3.38, 0.1.38 I mean. So just going to wait. Okay, it's downloaded. So if I go to my file explorer and go to download, so this is the one. So if I double click it, so that is going to take some time. So I'll say, okay, as you can see, so this is first screen. So click next, and so it's basically going to install it in this location, which is a program files Oracle, then VirtualBox folder. Then click next, and then just choose from the option below, create start menu, create shortcuts for desktop. Yeah, I want to create shortcut for desktop. Create a shortcut in the quick launch bar. Yes, register file association. So I click next. So proceed with the installation now. Okay, yes, install. Okay, the installation is done. So if you want to start it after the installation, you can just click leave this one as it is. So the next thing is to click finish. So that is going to start the VirtualBox, as you can see in this bottom bar. So this is the VirtualBox. So so actually I have this I have Ubuntu, and so if I go to my this thing, right, so if I go to, I have Ubuntu installed previously in my computer, but because I did some resetting, I got rid of it. So but I still have some few files left, so that's why you are seeing this one. But okay, it's not a complete Ubuntu content. So as you can see, it's 2.30 gigabyte, but the previous one was about 27 gigabyte. So if I open it, it's probably not going to open, or it will open, but the content, the original content, will not be there. So what I will do is I'll get rid of this and install everything from the beginning. As you can see, it failed, right? So that is because the original contents are not there. So I'm just going to get rid of it and install everything from beginning. So this is the first part of this video series. The next thing I will do, in the next video, I will be showing you how to get Ubuntu installed and set up on your VirtualBox. Right? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and hope you have a lovely day. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave any comment. Yeah, thank you for watching once again. See you in the next one. Bye.